learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
祖马哥呀，
让我们加入客家风情，学习实用客语。
Hello, it's time for another round of Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係美嘉。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。这个月呢，我们都来聊跟医疗、医院、医生有关的一些词汇，好了，好不好？We're going to be focusing on medicine, doctor, and your health this month. So when you go to the doctors here in Taiwan, you have to register or do registration. 挂号怎么说？
挂號。
挂號。无论去医院或者是诊所看病啊，都要先挂号哦。Whether you go to the hospital or a clinic, you have to register first.
無論去醫院呀診所，
無論去醫院呀診所，
本線上看，都要先掛號，
我就要先挂號，
都要先掛號才可以看。
对。So to register first is so important. However, there are certain doctors that are so popular, it's so hard to get an appointment. 比如說吳醫生啊，他的病人很多，超難掛到號。How do you say that?
線上嘅偏人動到，
線上嘅偏人動到，
千難掛到夾嘅號，
就很難掛到，對不對？可能要3個月前就要去掛號，也有這種對。Some doctors are that popular, you have to make an appointment 3 months or even a year in advance. All right, let's review some of the phrases that were brought up, including a hospital, 醫院 or a clinic, 診所 And remember, you have to register, 掛號 And there you have it, all about medical terms. Hopefully you don't need to go see a doctor, but if you do in the future and want to say it in Hakka, now you know. Thank you so much for listening.
什麼大家？
按子 say
張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.